So there we go, job done. I've just got a bit of flashing to do around the vents, around the ends and stuff like this. That's why there's Pixie. That's me girly cat. Look at her having a great time. Wonderful. But as you can see by the reflection of the sun, there is no dips and valleys in that sheeting whatsoever. Now, to notice that there's only a row of screws at the front, middle, halfway up, and then right at the top. Because this is a heavy gauge steel, we only need to put the screws in every 4 foot, and it's worked out really nice. We started this at we got up to about here last night. Well, yesterday, because it was too bloody hot in the afternoon. Working on black metal roof in direct sunlight is really bad. So we started this at 7 o'clock this morning. From here to there, we had it done by 9 o'clock. It was all finished. So I'm really pleased with it. Oh, no more problems with shingles or anything like that. So the next thing, I've got to sort out this guttering. I've got to tidy up down here because it's a real mess. But that guttering was an absolute shit show. It was, I don't know how I'm going to do it. But anyway, we'll think about something later. I might straighten it out, I don't know. But you can see, because it's all black and it's all full of the old asphalt stones that were on the tar. Oh, pathetic. So no, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm glad you can see the reflections like I can. I'm very impressed, even with myself.